In this video tutorial we are going to take a look at how to install Loginizer, step by step. So let's get started. So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and select Add New. Then search for Loginizer. The first one is what we are looking for, which is 1 million plus active installations. Let's install it and then activate it. Then go to Loginizer Security from Dashboard panel, and here we get system information, file permission, etc. Then go to Brute Force. Here we have brute force settings with max retries, that is maximum failed attempts allowed before lockout. Then lockout time, which is 15 minutes, maximum lockouts are 5, extended lockout, 24 hours after max lockout, then reset retries after 24 hours, and email notification after 0 lockouts, then save changes. Then go to passwordless. Here we have enable passwordless login with email subject, email body, and all these variables. Next we have two-factor auth, which is available with Pro version. Here we have OTP via app and OTP via email, user-defined Q&A and more. Then we have OTP via email template with email subject, email body, and variables. Then we have reCAPTCHA with CAPTCHA setting, site key, which you can get from this Google link, then secret key and more. Next go to security settings, which is also available with Pro. Here we have new login slug, set it blank to reset to the original login URL, which is WP admin. So all these you will get with Loginizer. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.